not sure how
I'm
I feel
starting
about
to be
that.
at my crashing point at this
I know.
point.
I started to eat my apple because there's like natural energy, in an apple, and hopefully that helps kind of get me up the rest of the day.
Best of luck to you.
Thank you. I'll see how
I'll
things are.
be right here joining the ride with you.
Okay, perfect.
It is Friday, though. We've made it at least towards the end of the work week, August 8th. And as we get into another August weekend, we know there's all sorts of outdoor activities. Wedding season still going on. Fair season, festival season, lake, boat, beach, mountain. I think that's a lot of it.
You said back to school, I assume, right?
Oh, I did not.
Oh,
no.
see? Okay, so I was like
shopping season.
Shopping season. Yeah. All right, let's take you out across the country to see what's in store for all of those things. I mean, when I first look, like most of the country's dry right now.
This is true.
But then you look deeper.
And you see the issues. The issues being in Minnesota right now as the thunderstorms continue to carve their way east. The good news is that line of thunderstorms is decaying, but the storm system is still back off towards the west, and this is going to drive a new round of severe thunderstorms later on today. All right, some of the northerly flow here. It's been keeping us cloudier but cooler into the Carolinas, and that will be the case again for today. You still see some of the carved. What you got going on in northeastern North Dakota? The other story, one of the bigger hubs in the region. So if you were in Cavalier, and I think you're trying to probably get to, like, say, a Walmart or a Home Depot, you probably go to Grand Forks. Grand Forks Air Force Base, kind of outside of the valley, so you had to get up a little bit. 91-mile-per-hour wind gusts here, so it really provides all of the energy. This is what's going to drive another round of severe storms today. So we will see this swing its way into the plains. As it goes into the Canadian prairies, it weakens and kind of expands, falls apart, but it leaves behind some energy, which will kick off wet weather into the weekend. Until then, though, we've got a lot going on. We've got the heat, 91 in Chicago, Minneapolis, Kansas City, 97 for you. It is a hot, humid day here. As you venture towards Fargo, we've got another round of showers, thunderstorms, and Bismarck. We could pick up a few as well today. Here's what's happening as we go through this afternoon and evening. So Fargo, you woke up at 4 a.m. from thunderstorms. You will find dinner time another round coming through. This is large hail, damaging winds, even a few isolated tornadoes. I think it's the wind and hail reports we see the most of, though there could be a tornado report or two mixed in, kind of like what we saw with this recent time, though, across the southeast.
Yeah, absolutely not. We still had a handful
of the thunderstorms that could be out there. They're going to slow you down across the southeast, mostly just spotty thunderstorms through the afternoon. The severe weather risk, not too many airports there, so hopefully flight cancellations aren't too prominent. Welcome back to AccuWeather Early, and thanks for watching on this Friday morning. We're taking off to the sea.
This morning we're getting a closer look at a special moment that unfolded this week along the New York City coast. Well, this morning, as we've been dealing with some more clouds and thunderstorms, we look back at the last 24 hours, and nice to have to kind of like squint to see where the storm reports, right, compared to when we were cluttered with storm reports, especially with the heavy rain and the flash flooding. We'll continue to be watching for more thunderstorms on the way this afternoon as we take you here into the down here a bit more. It's going to be hot and humid with drenching storms in Tampa and Orlando, as we've been watching Florida really getting the lion's share of some of the heaviest rainfall in the short term. Of course, over the kind of longer term since last Friday, it's been Georgia through the Carolinas that we've seen a lot of those thunderstorms. We take you into future radar here, where we're going to be hugging the